Hi, I am Adamya Singh, and today I'm going to show you how to build a free website in your browser. So it is very easy. Click on Start button and open your browser and go and visit in site.google.com. Don't worry, I will give you a link in the description. So I have made in this website. I have made a two website called this and this. So you have to create a new site to click on. So click on this and it will load. And first create your page title. So I will write welcome. And if you don't like this, you have to underline it. So don't worry. Don't worry. And click on themes and click on impression and choose your site theme. And now double click on this and click on text and what you want to write. So I want to write what is Java. So click on this and write heading and what is Java. We are making a small website, so don't worry about that. You can make a big website and you can build a new page also like this. New page. Click on this. So what is Java? Why it is used. We are writing what is Java and why it is used. Why it is used. Just click on enter to more space. So it will take some time to write a text. So I will pause this video and I will come back. So I have written this. Java is an object-oriented programming language that produces software the multiple platforms. When a programmer writes a Java application, the compiled code known as bytecode runs on a most operating system OS including Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Java was developed in the mid 1990s by Java James M.A. So just you have to add a logo in this. So I will browse a logo. You can also add favicon. So I will add this logo and I will open it and I will upload the favicon also and click on close and we enter a site name. So you have to don't write any site name. You can also write it is not compulsory because when we click on this in the site it will open the home. So I am writing home. So what you have to do, just add a footer. I will add more info column and click on enter. So I will write home and insert the heading and insert the link. So click on this and you have to select this and click on this. So I will come back to insert a link. So I will tell you what is inserting link. So this is a page. So we have to click on this and it will open the home page called home. So click when it will be done, click on apply and it will be done. You don't have to um, go to YouTube and insert the link. So I will come back to insert a link. So I have inserted the link. Just click on publish and I will take Adamya Singh 17 and just click on publish and just it will be seen your site has been published successfully. Just click on view and it will be open your site. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Today's the like target is 20 likes. Bye bye.